Hi, Warren Reid here. All large projects typically run into the same risks. If you know them, you can address them before they become real problems and increase your chances of systems success. I have organized these risks known before the project starts into 6 categories. People risks. All long projects experience turnover. Promised A teams may never show up. Identify how these people will be replaced and who signs off on them. Top management commitment and executive project champion should be assigned to keep enthusiasm up and the fear of change and job loss down. In a sense, the customer and the integrator become partners. They must learn each other's strengths and weaknesses to create the best strategy, schedule, and overall team. The customer should perform thoughtful reference checks, attend user group meetings, do a site visit to a reference. How similar is the scope, industry purpose, and reference system to yours? Conversely, what are the capabilities of the customer's team members? Requirements risk. The user may only know their 20-year-old legacy system. Show them, educate them on what's now available. Beware of incomplete, unclear, incorrect, and inconsistent requirements. As the customer learns more, it will be tempted to want more. Manage scope creep with conference room pilots, hands-on demos, and prototypes. Typical difficulties in conducting requirements analysis include the analysts are not prepared, the customer has no time or interest, incorrect customer personnel are involved, there's insufficient time allotted in the project schedule. Conversely, the integrator's team may lack experience in requirements elicitation, JAD, prototyping, system configuration, domain, and implementation. Next are technology risks. New tech takes longer to test and implement than old tech. Today's new tech includes web-based, mobile, cloud, and industry-based ERPs. Security and privacy are big issues. Address data, correctness, integrity, availability, and accessibility. What automated tools are available and what are you going to use? Has the integrator used them successfully before? Is the tool mature? What training will be required? You have to pick the right tools for this job and this team. There are also project risks. Stakeholders have different expectations. How will you identify the differences and how will you bring them together? You have to work with customer executives, department heads, users, internal IT, integrators, consultants, attorneys, supply and distribution chain partners, and many more. Project leadership is not clear. Who is responsible for bringing all parts of the system up and running together? Rosier than actual progress reporting. No proper capturing of progress, quality, and productivity metrics to identify real progress, estimates to complete, and critical path failures. Then there are process risks. The project is underestimated or misestimated, and it's not changed over time. The wrong development methodology is selected. Should it be waterfall, agile, incremental, spiral, scrum? A proper and informed change control board, project steering committee, and project management office should be staffed with the right people who must approve changes decisively and quickly. There's often not enough time scheduled for testing. There are shortcuts in the life cycle that shouldn't be taken. Then there are product risks, performance, testedness, and systems readiness. By that, I mean not only hardware and software, but business process reengineering and change management recommendations have to be implemented. Solid training, help desk readiness, maintenance, and operations readiness must be assured. Abilities are not proven, including things like scalability, usability, flexibility, portability, recoverability, maintainability. Competent handover of materials, including regression testing suite, is not given to the maintenance group. Then you always have the outside risks, including competition, economy, war, and regulations. Now that you know what the risks and pain points are, identify what will transform the potential risks into real project challenges. Identify processes and assign specific responsibilities for monitoring, avoiding, managing the impact of these risks on your project. Good luck.